So I just ran into this issue at work where I needed to be able to run a Next.js website using SSL or TLS, as it's better known now. And one of the things that was interesting about this is that in the current setting that I'm working in, we're using .NET, and .NET actually does a pretty good job of being able to install a local certificate that you can use when you are browsing or hosting a website locally. And so for this, I wanted to just give you a quick example to show you how you can do this with Next. So if we take a look over here, we can see I have this website that I just spun up here. This is a Next.js website. And if we take a look at this little icon right here, we'll see that it is an insecure connection. And that's because by default, if you do a npm run dev with a Next.js website, it's just going to host this using a regular HTTP server. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and kill the server. And I have made a change here. I've added this line right here into my scripts in my package.json file. If you look at this, I'm running the next.dev, but I've added this additional flag here that says -- experimental HTTPS. And what this is going to do is this will go ahead and it'll install a local certificate if you don't have one already, and it will host the site under HTTPS. So let's try running that. So I'm going to go ahead and run this. And we can see here that self-signed certificates are currently our experimental feature, use with caution. Now, if I come back to this website, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to change the URL so it's using HTTPS. And there, it just pulled the site back up. If I look right here, it's telling me that the connection is secure. So the way this actually works underneath the hood, Next.js is actually using a module called mkcert. mkcert is essentially it's a Go program that will run on just about any operating system, any architecture, and make sure that you have the correct certificate you need to have installed in order to be able to serve up essentially a website localhost. And this is great if you have services that require that you use HTTPS. Some of the newer protocols like HTTP2, HTTP3, while they aren't required inside the spec to host that using TLS, if you're using one of the popular browsers like Firefox or Chrome or Brave for that matter, they all require that if you're going to use those protocols that you have to use HTTPS. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Have a good day.